MI-4781 Full Motion Dual Monitor Desk Stand Installation. Attach the base to the pole using the 3 provided bolts and tighten until secure using a 4mm hex wrench. Open the monitor arms. You will need to position the VESA mounts to an up position. To do so, insert the VESA plate and rotate it to an upright position as shown. Remove the VESA plate when complete. Attach the cable clips to the arms. Cable clips can be attached to the vertical pole beneath the monitor arms. Slide the arm onto the pole and position the monitor arm at the desired height. Tighten the bolt at the rear using a 6mm hex wrench until secure. Attach the VESA plates using the selected bolts and tighten until secure. Slide the VESA plates onto the ends of the monitor arms. Install the knob and bolt to the top of the bolt shown here to secure in place. Route the cables through the cable management clips for a more organized desktop. If the display does not stay in position when tilted, or it is too difficult to move, adjust the bolt shown here as needed. To level the height of the monitors, adjust the bolt shown here to either raise or lower the level of the VESA plate. The screens can be turned side to side and rotated to be used in portrait or landscape orientation. Store the hex wrenches in the slots provided in the cable clip for use when needed.